Hello everyone. As a preschool teacher, many times I put myself in the shoe of parents, of students, and visualize what could be the challenge for their side to give best to our students. I do this because we are working on a common goal of imparting the best foundation for our students and instilling a love for education right from the beginning. As we know, the right habits nurtured at an early age shape our future habits. Having spent more than 12 years with preschoolers and already touching many students with my Udemy course on early childhood education for lower kindergarten or pre-primary one, it's my pleasure to introduce you the complete early childhood education for upper kindergarten or pre-primary 2. In today's era, blended learning has become an integral part of our lives. Hence, through this course, I am attempting to complement parents and guardians to give blended their best and having enough practice or homeschooling for their kids. Studying about enter to upper kindergarten or pre-primary 2. As we know, the initial groundwork has been done in lower kindergarten or pre-primary 1. Now, our focus is to make this foundation strong with lots of patience and dedication for upper kindergarten or pre-primary 2. Through this course, I am primarily focusing on three main subjects: English, mathematics, and general knowledge, based on the global curriculum to understand details about the topics covered in English, mathematics, and general knowledge. Kindly go through the description area. I have mentioned all the topics that are being covered in this course. To have a glimpse of the course, I suggest you to go through the preview videos. I have covered all the aspects needed for English, mathematics, and general knowledge through 114 videos. As you know, visual learning has become integral part of this generation of kids. Hence, attractive videos of the course will help to grab the attention of your child or students. The second important thing about learning at this age is having enough practice. At school, we insist to all the parents to have enough practice at home with their kids to nurture talents. To complement your effort having excellent practice for your child, I have included well-crafted worksheets for all the topics. Let me show you few worksheets. Let's start with English. Now, few worksheets for mathematics. And finally, let's see worksheets for general knowledge. Having looked the worksheets, the next obvious question that might come to your mind is how to use these worksheets. Well, I thought about that question. Hence, I have included videos on how to use the worksheets for each and every topic and even for the revision topics too. Kindly go through the preview videos of the course to have a glimpse of how to use the worksheets. I'm happy to share that the course has 350 plus worksheets available in the download section of the video. These 350 plus worksheets will be an excellent resource for you to impart enough practice to your kids or students. As a researcher in child psychology, I am happy to share that good number of studies done by psychologists across the globe state that talents are not born but talents are nurtured. They have proved that discipline and practice are the key ingredients to build talents or skills in the kids. My primary purpose of this course is to nurture talents or enhance the skill of our kids or students and complement your efforts. Forward to welcoming you for this exciting course on the complete early childhood education for upper kindergarten or pre-primary too. Thank you.